Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best M6 TV screws is probably one of the most critical components for a safe and secure TV mounting experience, and choosing the right ones can mean the difference between a perfectly mounted television and a potential disaster. This video will guide you through everything you need to know about selecting the right M6 screws for your TV mount, ensuring your screen stays put and your peace of mind remains intact. Number 5. PERLESMITH Universal TV Mount Kit. It's got everything you need for a secure and easy installation. No more hunting for the right screws. This kit is compatible with a wide range of TVs, up to 80 inches. It works with LG, Samsung, and many more. You'll find M4, M5, M6, and M8 screws, washers, and spacers. Everything you need is included. The screws are built to last, resisting stripping and securely holding your TV. It's designed for reliable support. Finding the right parts is a breeze. Everything is clearly labeled and neatly organized for easy access. We stand behind our product. Contact our US-based support team if you have any questions. What we like. It has everything you need for mounting most TVs. If you value convenience and a wide compatibility, this is perfect for you. This kit ensures a secure fit for your TV, no matter the brand. What people say. Exactly as described pictured. The right screw size enabled me to mount my new TV on my existing wall mount. Was having a hard time finding the right screws to mount older 40 Panasonic flat LCD TV. This contained the screws I needed. Number 4. ECHOGEAR Universal TV Mount Kit. This kit has everything you need to mount your TV securely. It includes screws and spacers to fit almost any TV up to 80 inches. It works with virtually all TV brands, even those known for compatibility issues. No more worries about finding the right parts. These aren't your average screws, they're built to last. The strip-resistant design ensures a secure and long-lasting mount. The kit is pre-sorted and labeled, making it simple to find the right screws and spacers. Installation is a breeze. You'll get extra screws for future projects. It's a great value and ensures you're always prepared. Need help? Our team is available 7 days a week to assist you with any questions or issues you may encounter. What we like. Its screws are built to last and resist wear and tear. If you need a reliable and long-lasting solution for your TV mount, this is the one. The kit's design makes installation a breeze, even for curved screens. What people say. The kit's loaded with M4, M5, M6, and M8 screws in various lengths, plus spacers, washers, and Allen bolts, everything I needed to pair my TV with a full-motion wall mount. My LG's VESA pattern, 300 by 300, called for M6 screws, and this pack had the exact size and length, 30 mm, to thread securely into the back, no wobble or guesswork. What I appreciated most was the clear labeling and organization of the screws. Each type was neatly separated, making finding the right size quickly easy. The quality of the screws seemed robust, providing a secure fit without any issues during installation. The pack also includes spacers of different sizes, which came in handy for adjusting the mounting depth and ensuring the TV was level on the wall. This versatility saved me a trip to the hardware store and simplified the mounting process. Number 3. WALI UVSP TV Mount Kit. This kit contains everything you need to mount your TV securely. It's designed for compatibility with most TVs up to 80 inches. It includes a wide variety of screws, washers, and spacers in sizes M4, M5, M6, and M8. You'll have everything you need for a perfect fit. This kit is designed to work with virtually any TV brand and model, including curved Samsung TVs. It's the ultimate solution for your mounting needs. The kit comes with clear labeling and a user manual to make installation simple and straightforward. Everything is pre-sorted for easy access. We offer exceptional customer support, available 7 days a week, to assist you with any questions or concerns. We're here to help you every step of the way. Inside, you'll find 88 pieces, including all the screws, washers, and spacers you need. It's a complete solution for your TV mounting needs. What we like. This kit provides all the necessary components for a smooth installation. If you appreciate clear labeling and organization, this is for you. It's designed to work with virtually any TV, including curved Samsung models. What people say. Great set that I used for mounting my new monitor. Gives plenty of options. Good quality and thread sizes were correct. So I recently purchased the WALI Universal TV Mounting Hardware Kit, and I have to say I'm pretty impressed with it. It comes with a wide variety of screws and bolts in different sizes and lengths, which made it really easy for me to find the right fit for my TV. The kit also includes spacers and washers, which helped me get the perfect fit for my TV and made the mounting process really straightforward. Came with every possible size, did the job for the bracket we had in new TV. Number 2. Mount It, Universal VESA Kit. This kit contains everything you need for a professional TV mount installation. It's compatible with almost any TV on the market, making setup quick and easy. It doesn't matter the brand of your TV. This kit is compatible with Samsung, LG, Sony, and many more. Get the perfect fit every time. With 92 pieces of screws, washers, and spacers, it has everything you need. No more hunting for the right size. The kit is neatly organized and labeled for easy selection. Find the right piece quickly and efficiently. It's made of high-quality steel for superior durability and reliability. Enjoy a secure and long-lasting mount. It fits screens ranging from 19 inches to 85 inches. It's the perfect solution for any TV size. What we like. It's made of top-quality steel for lasting performance. If you prioritize quality and ease of selection, this kit is a great choice. Its universal design ensures compatibility with a wide range of TVs and mounts. What people say. The screws in the set appear to be of very high quality and worked exactly as required. My TV is safely mounted on the wall thanks to the 4 screws I obtained from this set. The product is very high quality and contains every VESA bolt that you would need for attaching your flat-screen TV to a wall mount. The Universal VESA TV Mount Hardware Kit has a very nice selection of screws, spacers and washers which can be used to mount a variety of TVs. Those I used worked perfectly. Number 1. Mounting Dream MD5754 Kit. This kit is compatible with virtually any TV on the market, regardless of brand or size. It includes everything you need for a secure and easy installation. It comes with a wide variety of screws, washers, and spacers to fit various TV models and wall mounts. You'll find the perfect fit for your TV. This kit works with Samsung, Sony, Toshiba, and more. It's designed to be compatible with almost any TV or monitor on the market. The high-quality screws, washers, and spacers are built to last, ensuring a safe and reliable installation process. Enjoy peace of mind with this durable kit. Everything is clearly labeled and organized for quick and easy identification. You'll save time and frustration during installation. Use the included pictures to easily identify the correct screw size for your TV's VESA mounting holes. If you need help, more options are available from Mounting Dream. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive solution for mounting your TV. If you need a durable and easy-to-use kit, this is a great option. The clear labeling and premium materials make installation quick and straightforward. What people say. Save me time having the right hardware to mount my TV. Quality is great. Just what I needed. Didn't have to buy a new wall mount. The screws come in different sizes. The risers and screws fit my 34 monitor perfectly to mount it. Decent variety in this set. Each size comes in separate compartment. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.